Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Mood Booster Shots. Party Popper, are you ready to kickstart your day with a burst of positive energy? In just 5 minutes, I'm going to share some quick and powerful tips to help you feel energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. Let's do this. First up, let's oxygenate your body and mind with a simple breathing exercise. Sit up straight, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. Ready? Let's do it together. Next. Positive affirmations. Look in the mirror and say these powerful statements with me. I am capable of achieving great things today. I attract positivity and success. Today is going to be an amazing day. Repeat these affirmations every morning and watch how your mindset shifts over time. You've got this. Now, let's get your body moving. Stand up and stretch your arms high above your head. Take a deep breath in as you stretch and exhale as you lower your arms. Do this 3 times. Then, roll your shoulders forward and backward to release any tension. Movement wakes up your body and boosts your mood instantly. Plus, it only takes a minute. Here's a quick mood booster: gratitude. Take 30 seconds to think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. It could be your health, your family, or even the cup of coffee you're holding. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive and sets the tone for a great day. Try it now. Finally, let's visualize your perfect day. Close your eyes and imagine yourself accomplishing your goals, feeling happy and radiating positive energy. Picture every detail, how it feels, sounds, and looks. This exercise primes your brain for success and helps you stay motivated throughout the day. Take a deep breath in and out. You're ready to crush it. And that's it. Your 5-minute mood boost to start the day with positive energy. Try this routine every morning and watch how it transforms your mindset and productivity. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more mood booster shots. Let me know in the comments how these tips work for you. Until next time, stay positive and keep shining. Bye.